Hey there, it's Deb Cleveland, mentor, teacher, and advisor with over 30 years of successful business, real estate investing, and fixing and flipping experience here with some exciting news for you. I'm offering for the first time ever my Knowing Your GPS Beginner's Foundation course for free. Yes, for free. This is a course that my clients that have paid me as much as 5 figures use to create a solid foundation before they begin owning rental properties, before they begin fixing and flipping houses. The reason why it works is that before you begin, you have the knowledge that you need. You're crystal clear about your vision, your purpose, your resources, your identity as far as how do you show up. And then I go into some mindset things where you get to look at what are your derailleurs, like what is your thinking in the way that you're behaving and showing up that gets you off course, which I call your derailleurs. And then in the course, you set down 40 quick steps you're going to take towards the results that you're after, and you put a plan in place for the next 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 3 years, 15 years from now. And the reason why you can see 15 years out, especially if you're a real estate investor, is that most mortgages, and if you follow what I teach, are 15 years long. So if you're looking at building $1 million real estate portfolio or $1 million business, you want to see what it looks like 15 years down the road when you're probably ready to sell it or retire. So I'm going to invite you to jump on this course with me. I will never be offering this course for free ever again, but I wanted to do this for you now because I know a lot of you are stuck at home and walking around your homes or just your yards and you haven't been able to get out, and many of you are laden with a lot of worry and burden about, what does it look like? And I want you to know that you can create it now so that when this is lifted, the quarantine, you will have a plan in place, you'll know your first step next, and you will start moving. So what you're going to get is immediate access to my online course, which are videos and also content that comes out of my workbook here that I've created. You'll have PDFs that you can download, and then you will have access to me once a week on a Zoom chat where you can jump online live and be able to ask me questions, and I will be able to answer them live on a group call with all of us together. So I hope you sign up. I hope you take advantage of this. I look forward to meeting you. Again, it's Deb Cleveland. This is a foundational course and process and system that literally will create miracles in your life. So I hope you take advantage of it. Thanks so much for following me, and bye for now.